Dad! My semester is over. My summer vacation has started.
That's great, son. What are you holding? May I see it?
Of course, Dad. This is my report card. Please take a look.
Let's see, reading, grade A. Math, grade A+. Science, grade A. Social studies, grade A. Writing, grade A-.
You did a great job, son. Keep it up next semester.
That's pretty normal. Those grades are very easy to get. Look at mine. I even got an award certificate. This time, I got higher grades than you, but I still got a certificate. That doesn't mean next time. We'll see about that.
Look at this! I bought many things for the beach. We will take lots of beautiful photos.
Oh my God! We are going to the beach? Really? We are going to the beach?
That's right. We are going to Hawaii. This is Mom and Dad's reward for your hard work at school.
Hawaii? There will be beaches and white sand with huge waves. No, there will be tall palm trees and cool ocean breezes. There will be bright beach stages too. Dad, I am ready for Hawaii. Mom, I want many beach photos.
You will get plenty of them. You look beautiful already.
Is everyone ready for our big trip to Hawaii? Let's go and have an amazing vacation together.
Keep your passports ready. Stay close to me, okay? Wow! Look at that airplane! Hello! Welcome aboard. We are happy to have you on this flight.
Wow, this is my first time going to Hawaii. The airplane is so big. I can't wait to sit inside and look out the window.
Be careful when you climb. It's okay to go slow, just don't rush and fall. Sometimes going slow helps you stay safe and strong.
Excuse me, could you please help me find where our seats are located on this airplane?
Come on, try to catch me. You are too slow.
Please sit down now. Staying seated helps keep everyone safe during the flight.
Sorry, we understand now that being careful helps keep everyone safe and comfortable.
Please remember to stay seated and be considerate so everyone can have a safe and pleasant journey.
I want you to enjoy this trip. But you must be calm and behave well.
All right, ma'am, let me carefully check your seat numbers on this tablet for you now. Please follow me. I will guide you to your seats just over there in that row.
This is so cool. I can see the runway, planes, and everything moving outside. I love this seat. The view is amazing. Mom, please take a picture of me. I'd love to, sweetie. I'm sitting by the airplane window. Mom, make me look beautiful. She is so fancy. She should be strong and cool like me. Mom, take pictures of me too. Take my strongest picture. I am a hero today.
These photos are beautiful. Both of you are amazing. Let's take a family photo together.
Everybody smile.
Wow. I have never seen the sky look so big and peaceful like this before. It feels like we are flying in a dream.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hawaii. Please remain seated as we taxi to the gate.
Wow. Hawaii is beautiful. I can already see the beach.
I can't wait any longer. I need to go to the beach right now.
Mom, wait for me. I want to go swimming too. Of course, honey. Dad, I want to swim, but I don't know how.
I know. Don't worry, I'll teach you, buddy.
Sweetheart, take a picture of me.
Put on this swim ring. I will teach you how to swim.
Please use the camera to take a clearer and more beautiful photo.
Take off your shoes. They will soak up water, become heavy, make it harder to move your legs, and create more resistance in the water.
First, you need to get used to the water. This helps your body adjust and keeps you from feeling shocked. This first step helps you feel less afraid. It also helps your body relax in the water.
The ocean water feels so cool. I think this is amazing.
Dad, I want to learn swimming too.
Dad will be the swimming teacher. And Mom will be the teaching assistant who protects my little girl.
Stand in chest-deep water. Relax and feel how the water supports your body.
I feel a little light. And it is a little harder to breathe.
That's right, sweetheart.
Yeah.
When we go deeper, the water pushes against our bodies and creates more pressure.
Take a deep breath through your mouth. Put your face under the water and hold your breath for about 5 to 10 seconds. We must learn how to control our breathing in the water.
This is easy. I do this all the time in the bathtub.
Stand in chest-deep water, take a deep breath, look up, spread your arms and legs wide, and relax your whole body. Lie on your stomach and keep your body parallel to the water. Kick your legs up and down and move your arms like a windmill. I will hold your hands. You can practice swimming now.
Dad, look at me. I think I am swimming.
I want to do what my brother is doing too. Mom, please teach me how to swim.
Kick your legs slowly and keep your body relaxed. You are doing a great job.
Now try using your arms and legs together.
I am a little scared. But I will try my best. You are too timid. Oh, I learned to swim before you did. No, I can swim too. Let's have a swimming race. Oh, all right.
You must not do that. When swimming in the ocean, children must always stay close to their parents to avoid dangerous drowning situations.
Today was a wonderful day.
Yes, and tonight will be even better.
Dad, we have been waiting for a long time.
Sorry for making you wait. We are ready now.
My dress is the prettiest one here. Tonight feels magical.
This food is so good. This is a wonderful night.